Okay, so I'm a little scared, a little worried. The thought of even doing this is really uncomfortable, so we'll see. We'll see. So I have been really bored with my hair. It's got like natural curl to it, but it's just like not doing anything. I haven't had it cut since March, right before our wedding, and it's just kind of looking all the same length. I've got like little pieces here sort of still, but they're just like, everything's been laying really flat. My hair has just been looking like a poodle's ears to me. And so I think it's time to change something. I really do. And so I'm going to try to do the haircut thing that I've been seeing on TikTok. I'm not going to do it as extreme as some people. I'm going to just try to do little layers. I want some texture. I want some volume. If this all goes south, I'm gonna be looking for a hairstylist. We're gonna see how this goes. I saw another YouTuber, Mia Maples, who I absolutely love. She's one of my favorite YouTubers. She did this the other day, and I'm like, you know, if Mia can do it, I can do it. I got this. Let's get into it. Let's give this a try. I got my mirror right in front of me, so you guys will be kind of seeing like side profile. I'll try to do it like this. So basically, what you do is you just throw all of your hair up into a great big floof on top of your head and trim the ends. If you're a hairstylist and this is like the worst thing ever to you, I'm sorry. So I have never cut my own hair. I've cut Matt's hair. I actually am typically the person who cuts his hair. And I've cut my little sister's hair once and that went pretty well. I followed one of Brad Mondo's tutorials for at-home haircutting and it went pretty well. I could have used some more layering, we'll be honest, but not bad for my first time cutting a girl's hair. So I do have actual hairdressers, scissors. They're not anything overly special. They're what I use for Matt. I have very, very thick hair. I have a lot of it and it's textured, it's very curly. I feel like even if I give myself a bad haircut, the curl will end up hiding it. Again, I got my haircut in March and I don't ever get split ends. They get kind of dry, but I don't get split ends, which is very nice. Alrighty, so first cut is gonna be just the ends. You see my little bangs and stuff falling down. I am literally going to take the most minimal amount off probably. This is not going to be drastic, but I'm hoping for nice layers. That's the hope. And again, I've watched enough Brad Mondo videos to know trim like this. Point cutting. And my hair's just like, why is it so jagged? Why is this one piece sticking up like this? Why? This is ridiculous. Alrighty. Oh. No scissors. I don't know. If you know of scissors that are made for people that are left-handed, drop it in the comments, because my scissors will work 1 minute and then they'll just stop working. I think that's a nice start. Okay, so then from here, I'll just pop this out. I have crazy floofy hair because I brushed it. Okay, got some trimming on the ends. Nothing wild, nothing wild. Gotta be real tame here. Then we'll go up and we'll do another section. And so no, this is not a tutorial. I like watched a handful of TikTok videos and Mia's YouTube video and decided that this would be a great idea for a Thursday afternoon. Layer number 2. We're getting bolder this time. I'm going in there with this one. Some people cut straight across, so like, let's just do it. We'll cut. Everything I've learned is going out the window. I'll point cut it after that. You're giggling while just chopping away your hair. What is your mental state? Let's be honest. What is it? I thought mine was stable, but now I'm questioning that. This is the moment of truth of whether I really messed up or if I'm doing all right. Okay. On this side, I'm seeing a little more layering than on this side, but not bad. We're not looking bad yet. Again, the worst thing that happens is I hate it and I cut my hair off. Like, I've literally been wanting to do a bob for so long. I don't think it would even work with my hair. I have no idea. Maybe it would give me the volume on the roots that I want. Who knows? Also, I have like candles down here on my counter and I lit them because I was like, oh, this will be cute in this video. But you can't see them anyways. I'm just worried I'm gonna light hair on fire and that'll just stink. The one thing I was not worried about with doing this was my ability to do a high ponytail, because thank you, like 8 years of ballet, I can make a ponytail on top of my head. That's not an issue. Every time I'm cutting and I'm not seeing anything, it makes me want to go in and do it more. That was a lot of hair. On the bright side, just cutting this little bit is making my ends look so much better. If nothing else, my ends will look better. Okay, that was the shortest one we've done so far. Fingers crossed, it doesn't look horrible. This is looking decent. It's like unstyled, of course. This side is looking like less has happened than this side. I don't know if you can tell in the camera, but this side almost looks like it has more layers than this side, and I don't understand. I want to do one more. Most people did 3. I'm gonna be a little psych, I want to do 4. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but it's a thing I'm doing. I do still feel like my second cut should have probably been more drastic, but I think this is already looking a bit better. Oh my gosh, look at all this hair. My sink is full of hair. I'm so tempted to do another one down low. Oh, and then Matt is coming home right now. He's on his way, and so he's gonna see this hot mess when he gets home. I'm hoping to be glowed up. Have completed my glow up by the time he gets home. That's my goal. So I have like an hour. I cannot be left unattended. Again, I'm still just like not seeing much going on, but I feel like I should quit while I'm ahead. So I'm going to style my hair and do my makeup, and we will come back and see how this looks. If I completely messed up and need to go get my hair cut to my shoulders, or if we can make this work. So we'll be back in just a sec. And here we are. Here's our final look. I went ahead and did some fall style makeup, and I just blow dried my hair. That's all I did to it, so that it was smoother now. I am noticing less of a difference than I thought I would. I thought this was gonna be like way more drastic than it is. And honestly, I could see myself going in and potentially cutting more. For whatever reason, I swear on this side, I can see the layers more than on this side. I don't know how that is possible, but who knows how that happened. And I do think that I probably will go in and get my front pieces professionally trimmed, because they're a nice face framing bit, but they're just getting too long. They're way past my chin now, and I don't think I have the guts to do that myself. But all in all, this was a fun little glow up, but now I want to go downstairs and get Matt's reaction to all of this, to the new do. So let's go check out and see what he has to say. All right, you can come in now.
Your hair looks great.
Yeah.
I'm honestly surprised how good it looks. It looks natural for you cutting. How many layers did you end up doing? Like how many hair ties?
I cut it 5 times.
Oh wow, 5 layers.
Yeah, I cut it 5 times.
Very nice. Here,
Honestly,
let me throw it over your back. Let me see it. Nice.
We're not looking too choppy. I can't see the back.
Oh, I can't either if you're not facing me. Oh, this looks great.
Thank you.
That's so cool.
Yeah.
High five. Great job. Proud of you. I'm glad you just did it.
Yeah.
You did a great job. I knew you would. Yeah. Thumbs up. This hairdo's great. Yeah. Save yourself a fortune and time. And hairdressers usually aren't aggressive enough anyway for the cut you actually want. Just do it yourself. This is so easy.
Yeah, it was really easy. I was honestly impressed at how easy it was. By the time I was cutting my second and third one, I was just going in at it. The first one I cut and nothing happened. So I was like, go in there.